Yeah, good afternoon to all second years. Yesterday I forgot to address second year electronics and stat students. Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the first topic, that is organization. Organization means grouping of activities necessary to attain objectives of enterprise, and the assignment of all these grouping into a manager with authority necessary to supervise it, defined by the Kuhn and Ordner. Means if you want to establish any organization, first you have to identify the activities and grouping those activities into a department, and the department must be assigned into the hands of the manager by providing with an authority to supervise it according to the definition. And now the features. The first feature is common purpose or objective. Any organization it must have a common purpose or an objective. Means if some of the corporate organizations objectives are to become as a global leader, to become as a pioneers in that sector. They are the best examples of the common objective, and this common objective is common purpose for all the departments of the organization, not only one department purpose. Okay, division of work. Division of work is based on the principle of specialization. Means entire total work of the organization divided into sub departments and departments, and for the purpose of avoiding waste of time and resources and energy. And next one is authority structure. Authority structure means as an organization you must clearly specify the balance between the responsibility and the authority. And next one, objectives. The main objective of the organization is efficient management. The efficient management will exercise in the organization if the organization is inefficient of balancing of his authority and responsibility. Then only you can exercise the efficient management in the organization. And next one is cooperation of employees. Yes, as a manager, you must encourage the employees by providing financial benefits and also monetary benefits. And automatically, it will create a team spirit in the employees. They can give a good results. And next one, discharging social responsibility. Basically, the basic objective of any business organization to earn profit. It is only not the main objective. You must provide the social responsibility towards the society. That is providing good quality products with a reasonable cost. Okay. And next one, steps in planning of organizing. That is first one, clear definition. You must specify the clear definition of your objectives. Automatically, each and every employee knows for what purpose this organization is working, how can I achieve that objective. Okay, and that is second step is determining activities. So the determination of activities is depending upon the size and nature of the organization. By that you can determine, doing analysis of each and every activity. And then you have to go for assigning duties. So to whom you have to assign that duty, and recruit a qualified and experienced person towards that particular duties as a workers and employees and managers, and all these activities as a department we have to assign to them. That is designing, allocating and discharging of all the duties into the particular affected people. And next one is delegating authority. Delegating authority is nothing but creation of positions by providing great series of the each position of the organization. Means creating a structural relationship between the superior and subordinate relationship, or providing or creating chain of command relationship. Okay, that is delegating authority. And coordinating activities. As a manager, as an organization, you must specify the coordination among the employees and departments of the organization. Next one, providing the right environment and physical facilities, nothing but proper ventilation and offices and equipment and stationery for the employees. And finally, you have the establishment of the structural relationship between all the positions of the organization. Automatically, every employee can achieve the organization objectives. Thank you all.